marriage. I never cheated in my marriage, not once, till the day I decided to leave because I could no longer take the punishment to myself. It's multi layered, but my non negotiable was children in a marriage. Once there were two children by two different women, I said, "You don't love me."
Hi, Ju family. Welcome to All Trending Mzansi. But Mkosi, do you all remember the endless battle between Entlembali and Black Coffee regarding their divorce ever since they announced it in 2019? It has been like 5 to 6 years, but Mkosi, if I am doing the math accordingly. And we have been actually introduced to their private life, but Nkosi unannounced Nkosi yami. Because Haibo, what do you mean a Black Coffee went on to deny ever getting married to Entlembali? Do you see at that particular moment I saw goes but Shimane they can do anything to protect themselves. But Nkosi and Entlembali recently revealed that the court cases and court attendances regarding their divorce has come to an end because she is now officially a single divorced woman, but Kosi, stating that the court ruled on her favor, allowing her to walk away with 50% of Black Coffee's asset. Yo, Maui. But Kosi, it is alleged that Entlembali is going to receive 500 million allegedly. Which makes me to wonder, but how rich is Black Coffee? Hey, Bo, is he a billionaire, a trillionaire, whatever? I don't even want to go deeper into that. Got the Aishem, they have been going back and forth. But Kosi and Lembali's lawyers ruled that the contract that was signed in 2017 was invalid because the pair they've already tied the knot when they did their customary marriage, which meant that this whole thing, it was not even supposed to happen. Them fighting back to back, it was not supposed to happen. And if you all remember properly, Entlembali was just requesting for spousal support and also 50K monthly for a child maintenance. She never mentioned anything about these things that are currently happening now. But things just turn out to be how they are now. I wonder how Black Coffee is taking this whole situation. Please do leave your comments down below. But catch you on my next one, and thank you for watching. Bye.